Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. In this video we are going to look at the Steelseries aerox 3 wireless mouse. The link for this product is in the description down below. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. The Steelseries aerox 3 wireless has almost the same shape as the Steelseries Rival 3 but with a honeycomb body to reduce weight. It has RGB lighting along the bottom and inside the mouse, which you can customize through the Engine 3 software. The shape is ambidextrous, but it only has thumb buttons on the left side. Although this mouse is wireless, it isn't the most portable as it has a fairly tall back that makes it harder to fit in some laptop cases. Also, there's no compartment to store the wireless USB dongle. The build quality is decent, with no wobbling or rattling. However, there's a little bit of squeaking and creaking when applying pressure. There's some flex on the bottom that shouldn't be noticeable in regular use, but the top flex is if you press hard enough, causing the CPI switching button to activate. The CPI switch button sometimes gets stuck on our unit. Although your experience may vary, Steelseries advertises an IP50 for dust and water resistance, but this isn't something that we test. People with small or medium-sized hands shouldn't have any issues using a palm grip, but those with large hands might find the mouse too short. The Steelseries aerox 3 wireless is suitable for a claw grip regardless of hand size. Most people shouldn't have any issues reaching all the buttons comfortably. Most people should be able to use this mouse with a fingertip grip, but those with small hands may have a hard time reaching the scroll wheel due to its low profile. The feet are excellent. They provide a smooth glide on a cloth mousepad or directly on the desk. At this time, we can't find any third-party replacement feet. The Steelseries aerox 3 wireless mouse comes out with USB to USB cable, wireless USB receiver, extension adapter, and user guide. The Steelseries aerox 3 wireless has a decent number of buttons. Every button, including the scroll wheels up and down scroll, are programmable. You can remap the left click without first assigning it to another button, but because you no longer have access to a left click, you need another mouse to set it back to the default. The Steelseries Engine 3 software has a pop-up message that warns you before proceeding. The scroll wheel has a low profile and doesn't cause much noise. Unfortunately, it doesn't have liter per revolution tilt inputs, and you can't unlock it for infinite scrolling. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. See you next time. Goodbye.